Hello everyone, this is Mamta from CAD NEST Nagat. In this class, we are discuss about the 3D modeling, how to create the models, and what is the 3D. 3D means three-dimensional drawing. It contains X, Y, Z coordinates. The drawing area will be in the 3D modeling pattern. For the 3D view, go to click on Home. This is the UCS icon. It shows the X, Y, Z coordinate. It means it is a three-dimensional drawing area. Today we are discuss about the basics of the 3D. In that it is a modeling panel. In that first one is box. How to create a box. Select first point and then select corner point and specify the height of the box. This is for the box. For the solid view, go to change the 2D wireframe to shaded. This is for the shaded pop. And this is for the 2D wireframe. It looks like a 2D frame. After that, cylinder. Give radius and then specify the height. After that, cone. Select the radius and then cone height. And then sphere. And then pyramid. First specify the center point of the base. After that, specify the height. And then wedge. This is a wedge shape. And then torus. Specify the center point and then specify the radius. These are basics of the three-dimensional drawings. It is useful for modeling creations. For more video, please subscribe the channel and then press the bell icon. Thank you.